Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 18, chart, verb. American pronunciation, chart. Chart. British pronunciation,
chart, chart.
meaning. Chart means to record information over a period of time. Common usages in academic writing that you need to know are chart the course, chart the data, chart the information, chart the status. Example sentences, chart, verb. We charted the growth rates of 7 different breeds of horses for the first 2 years of their life. Example sentence number 2, the computer tracks and charts the movements of stars orbiting our galaxy's supermassive black hole. Now you can use chart confidently in your research. Please write a sentence using chart as a verb in the comments below, and I will fix it in a reply. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!